Let's go!
Hey, what's going on, guys? Here we have the M2 at AUTOPLUS again. We'll be prepping for this Sunday's race for FTW and probably another race the next weekend.
Yeah.
So here we have DJ from SRS. What are we doing now?
Well, actually, AUTOPLUS has done a great job of installing all of these parts before, but due to the design of some of these parts, I just prefer taking them all out and double checking them and then readjusting them for the race weekend.
Yes. Yeah, so we're installing solid bushings now. So what that's gonna do is remove the play. Because when it was rubber, there was a lot of play. You could move around the control arm and it moves around left and right. So you don't want that. What else are we gonna be doing, Bish?
After the install of these bushings, we're gonna perform a full alignment and corner balance.
Oh,
so
nice.
since we're still running the stock suspensions on this car, we can't really tune the dampers. We're limited with the stock electronic valving that came from the factory. That being said, since we're running MSS height adjustable springs and the full suspension secrets package, we can dial in an aggressive height, track spec alignment, and also corner balance the car. Yung lack of flex niya.
So here's another Time Attack car, Time Attack G87 M2. It's owned by a friend, Lino, and it has quite some mods done to it, around 600 plus. And it also has the Suspension Secrets kinematics kit, and it has an Adro kit. No, it has an Adro wing. I think the lip's not yet here, but yeah, it has an Adro wing. It has a rear seat delete and a roll cage, as you guys can see, bucket seats, and a very nice steering wheel. Super excited to see this on track. Also, he'll be there also on Sunday, the same races that we'll be joining. So we're both hoping to get faster. Very excited.
One of the immediate aspects that we can notice is there's no longer any bind when the suspension is going up and down. So that's because we're no longer dealing with the bind of the rubber bushings.
Yeah.
And then second, these arms, they actually don't just move up and down. They also kind of rotate like that normally.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's part
okay.
of how a 5-link suspension works. Like all these arms, they kind of move a little bit like that.
Yeah.
But with the stock rubber, that movement it's like discouraged by the bushing because of the bind from the bushing.
Okay.
So there's a bit of bind in your suspension. But when all your bushings are now solid, that bind is pretty much removed and your articulation is a lot better.
So okay, so how does that benefit?
Translate?
Yeah.
You get better grip because your tires are now more fixed or stuck to the ground.
Yeah.
And actually, in a way, you also get better ride quality because you don't get that springiness from your bushings.
Okay.
So for
cool.
drivers who are actually really concerned about performance and not really that concerned about noise, vibration, or harshness, solid bushings are definitely the way to go.
Start. So here we are at INI Automods, and we're gonna be changing the steering wheel of the M2. We'll be doing the JQ Madtrace with the Sparco steering wheel, flat bottom, so it's the same as the stock one. I don't like the super circle one. So yeah, excited, let's see. So what's nice about the JQWerks or the Madtrace is that before you install it, you could already set it up. You just plug it into a computer or laptop, so you could you could change already all the buttons and stuff like that. You can do whatever you want with the buttons, program it to whatever you want. It's pretty cool, dope.
When I say study the platform, we want to be able to set a competitive edge in terms of model.
Damn.
Damn.
First impressions.
So here we are on the way to BRC. Well, I'm going home first to get my car, and we'll be going tonight because tomorrow will be our practice and Sunday will be the race day. So yeah, super excited. Let's see let's see if we can test out the new steering wheel. I'm super excited to test out the new steering wheel. See how it'll be different and if we'll get faster. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Here we are at BRC, the third round of FTW, and so far it's been really bad. Uh, yeah, it's been really bad. Yesterday's practice was very necessary because I drove like shit. I drove like a dumbass, and there was problems with the car. And today we're driving better. Still haven't beaten our PB, which is 145.2. Today we are only able to do a 145.9, but we have one last session. The others, however, see Tots, and Paul's car. So Tots was able to beat his PB, and he was able to reach 139 already. And see Pao was able to beat his PB of 138. And what's your time now, Pao? 138, but yeah. Yeah. So they all beat their PBs, and me, I haven't, so I suck. And we're depressed and sad, and we don't deserve to be here. Let's see. We'll be happy again once we beat our PB. So let's see. Sana. I hope so. I hope so. And there's another M2 that's faster than us, which is Lino. He's really fast, really fast. Hopefully, we can get as fast as him. So let's see. I'm excited for the last session and pretty nervous. I'm about to puke. Let's go. Wow! So I had to pass on the grass. So nervous. I cried after I saw the lap time. Let's go! Lord, thank you.
Good job.
Thank you, Lord. This whole day, I thought, this whole weekend, thank you, Tito.
Naging 44. Nice.
How do you feel?
I feel relieved. I thought I was a fraud. Wow, it's crazy.
Congrats, baby.
Thanks. Thank you guys, thank you. It was that was the hardest 144 of my life. I almost imagine 46, 45, then 44 on the fourth lap. Oh my god, that was so crazy talaga. This whole day talaga, this whole weekend I thought I was a fraud. I thought I wasn't who I am. Oh my god.
Now you know who you are. You are who you are.
It's crazy. Ano?
Sabihan ko si Easy.
Let's go.
Pag normal day, mag-abot ka ng 1K, pwede yun.
Yeah. You give tip na lang siguro. Bigyan mo na ng tip.
Yung mga lahat.
What a beautiful lineup. Type R, 86, Subaru, Civics, M2, and the GR Corolla. And there's like a Prado at the back. So yeah, super wow, what a tiring weekend, no? It was such a depressing weekend all the way until the final lap. That's the only time that we actually became happy. It took until the final lap to get the job done, and super tired, extremely tired, and I hope you guys liked the video. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Peace out.